Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Crusader Kings III step by step. First, you'll select a character to begin your dynastic journey. Look for rulers with strong starting positions, perhaps with 3 or 4 counties under their direct control, and favorable traits. Pay close attention to their age, culture, and religion, as these factors significantly influence your strategic options. Understanding your initial family, vassals, and surrounding rulers is crucial for planning your first moves and securing your dynasty's future. Once your reign begins, effective realm management is key. Focus on developing your personal domain, which typically includes 3 to 5 counties, to boost your gold income and available soldiers. Keeping your vassals happy is paramount. Discontent can lead to dangerous factions. Utilize your council wisely, assigning skilled individuals to improve development, convert cultures, or fabricate claims, ensuring your realm thrives and expands under your careful guidance. Diplomacy and warfare are central to expanding your influence. Forge strong alliances by marrying your children into powerful families, which can provide crucial military support. When expanding, always ensure you have a valid casus belli, or reason for war, before declaring. Effectively manage your armies, paying attention to terrain and commander skills, to achieve decisive victories and conquer new lands for your growing empire. Finally, securing your dynasty's future is your ultimate goal. Arrange strategic marriages for your children to produce strong heirs and forge new alliances. Invest in their education, assigning guardians who will impart valuable skills and traits, shaping them into capable future rulers. Actively pursue dynastic legacies, which offer powerful, permanent bonuses across generations, ensuring your family's name endures for hundreds of years and achieves lasting glory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.